Welcome to Spark by Hilton Nashville at Opryland, one of Hilton's newest Spark conversions located just a short drive from downtown Nashville. And the reason why I stayed here, pretty close to Nashville's airport B&A. This property is part of Hilton's premium economy brand, which focuses on clean modern design and essential amenities without unnecessary extras. One of the first things to notice when arriving, lots of parking spaces. If you're traveling by car, whether it's a road trip or rental, parking is really easy here. And the hotel has an EV charging station. The rooms follow the Spark by Hilton style. Bright, simple and modern. You'll find the basics covered. Comfortable bedding, a work desk if you need to get some work done, and a large streaming-ready TV. One little bonus that I personally liked was a wireless charging device right in the room. Just drop your phone or earbuds on it and start charging. No need to search for the cable you left in the car or in your bag. It's exactly the kind of touch that makes these hotels feel practical and up to date. Of course, not everything was perfect though. The air conditioning unit in my room was definitely on the louder side. Even when it wasn't actively cooling, it hummed pretty loudly. Luckily, there's a simple solution. If you don't need it, you can just unplug it and enjoy the quiet. And speaking of quirks, my ironing board looked like it had really been through some stuff. The fabric was ripped open, which gave it a bit of personality, but I think it's safe to say it deserves retirement soon. When moving around the hotel, you'll probably notice the elevator. It's quite old, but it looks like they're currently building a small extension with a brand new elevator. One of the signature elements of Spark hotels is the complimentary bagel bar breakfast. It's simple, it's predictable, and it's exactly what you'd expect from the brand. Bagels, some spreads, juice, etc. And here they even have a yogurt machine, which is not typical for all Spark hotels. The hotel is not luxury, but that's not what Spark is meant to be. Instead, it delivers a modern, budget-friendly, and mostly clean property in a convenient location. To sum it up, Spark by Hilton Nashville at Opryland gives you the essentials done well. And even a few nice surprises like EV charging and that yogurt machine. It's a practical choice if you're visiting the Opry, heading to Opry Mills, looking for a reliable stay outside the busy downtown area, or just need a quick overnight near the airport. Now, if you want to learn more about the Spark by Hilton brand, click the video on the left. Or if you want to see the very first Spark to ever open, click the video on the right. Thanks for watching.